Good morning and welcome to this round of my interaction with you. Can I see all of your smiles, please? I will not start unless I see all of you laughing loudly. I can hear you. So you have to all laugh very loudly so that I can see and hear. One, two, three. Start laughing loudly. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So today, as we will play some mind game. I will like to listen from you some of the thoughts that you have, some of the experiences that you have, because you are all my teachers. I learn a lot from each one of you. Right? Show me your thumb. Yes, yes. So, Vapti, where is your smile? You're not taking breakfast, Vapti? Ah, yes, that's right. Good. And Isita, you're not smiling, Isita? Yes, very nice. So, as you know, what we do normally when we start, we have to what? We have to pray, no? Right? And get the blessings of Almighty so that I'll also get energy to talk and you'll also get energy to start the day with a beautiful smile. So, all of you, please fold your hands like this. I should see all of your hand folded like this. Yes. Yes, Arnav, fold your hands. I should see all of your folded hands. Sit straight, spine straight, because you need to concentrate while praying Almighty. Concentrate on Lord, the law of nature, to bless each.
अनंत संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिताभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावाम्बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्रविपत्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नताययो श्रीपतितां समीयो कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रवर्या मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कालीकनिकाशपदावृताभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमः जनाभीष्टगतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कृपालिमौळी रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराज झषकन्यकाभ्यां कृपपदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्रखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्याद्रिसंशोषणवाडवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां.
Thank you, Pratisha. Yes, very nice. So, I'm so happy. Thank you, Isita. So, my talk has been, initial to make each one of you get the feeling of the innate nature that God has given you since your birth. I've always told you, and we will continue probably from next time. I will try to bring out other qualities which is within you, which probably you normally are not able to uh, see in yourself, because each one of you is so talented. Unless you realize your own self, you will not be able to grow as a great human being. I want each one of you to be a great human being, because that's what matters. Definitely, your studies, your marks, all these things matter in life to grow. But more importantly, first is you as a human being, you as a boy or a girl have to be wonderfully of extremely good qualities. Then everything else follows. So, how to realize that is my uh, purpose of my talks. And I'm so happy that all of you so well and so nicely understand and deliberate with me. And that gives me energy to think and research more so that I can talk to you. So today also what I'll do is I will show you something and then we will discuss on that. And as the rule, you have to show your hand, not physically here like this, but in the system, so that I will ask you questions or your feelings that you learned from what I'm going to show to you. Is that right? Is that right? Great, great. Right. Very nice, very nice. All of you wanted to show. One, two, three, like this. Yes, yes. Very nice, very nice. So, I have been telling you that father and mother are our first God, and it's father and mother who matter most in our life. After father and mother, it's teacher or the guru. But nobody can take the place in the universe of father and mother, because God has created them for you and you are created for them. You came to this world because of them. So definitely your mother is your first God and your father is your first God. Mother, why it is called mother tongue? It's called mother tongue because the first voice that comes out of her mouth is what mother tells us, and that's Ma. Almost when you're born, you start with the voice of Ma, right? So that's why it is mother tongue, and mother takes care of us before birth and after birth. Nobody can ever take the place. And our devotion to mother should be always the ultimate. And similarly, father. So let me start something and let's see how much you understand. Last time I had shown your dedication to mother. This time I'm going to show you something which will make you conscious. Are you doing this? And if so, how to mend this? So let's see something very interesting. So, who is going to speak first? What did you learn out of this video that I shown you? Oh, so many hands. Okay. So first hand that I see is Anvesa.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, Anvesa?
Sir, fine.
Hmm. Just fine or very happy.
Sir, very happy also.
So let me see your laugh. And let me hear your laugh also. No, this is not laugh. This is crying. I want your laugh.
No, sir.
Okay, beta. What did you learn?
Sir, from this video, I learned that nowadays we are getting a lot into the phone, but we should take a little time and spend with our families.
Mm-hmm.
And when our mothers are calling for for something to share, then we should not just avoid them. We should go and talk to them and have fun with them.
Absolutely, Anvesa, thank you so much. You know what Anvesa says out of what did I saw in this video that of, often what we do is we get engrossed in the mobile phone or engrossed in the laptop, tab, or computer and forget that we are in the house and we should spend quality time with our parents. They're waiting for us. So what we do unknowingly, we chat with our friends, we talk and we do unnecessary things, but we forget that our first God is waiting for us. God is in the house and you're searching God outside. And that's what this video says. And those two brothers and sisters did realize that they are doing mistakes. So they decided that they will spend quality time with mother. Because once the school is over and once they go out to college, they will probably not get the time to spend with their parents. And this corona pandemic time, you get huge time to spend. Okay, next, Saswat. Saswat, unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Saswat,
Good morning, sir.
morning. Saswat, where is your camera? What happened to your camera?
I switched it on.
But your face is not coming, it's black, you know.
So
Yes.
I think it's because of that. I think my camera is not working.
Oh, no problem,
From,
Saswat.
from that day, from the chairman sir talk, first day, it's not working.
Oh, okay. No issue, dear. Just, you know what?
And during this pandemic, there's no one that can fix it, so that's why.
I understand better. And, you know, hopefully all of you are fine, doing well.
Yes, sir.
Great. So what did you learn, Saswat?
So I learned that I have seen like these kind of like really like these kind of videos, and from these I learned that when you're a kid,
Huh?
that's when you like love your mother so much, but when you grow older, you
Right.
start to like forgetting about what your mother did when
Right.
you were hopeless. You were because you when you were born, you were basically hopeless. You can't do anything, but
Right.
your mom is the person who takes care of you and makes you more stronger and be able to face the world.
Right.
But after growing up, you just think that your mom didn't do anything, and you forget about all the good things.
Very nice, Saswat. Very nice. I am so happy, Saswat, at this age you are able to analyze that with age we forget that what mother did when you were a kid. She did not sleep whole night when you are sick. She did everything possible to see that you get good food for of your liking. But when you grow up, you feel friends are more important, other things are more important, your phone is more important, and you need a space. So this concept of space actually creates a distance between your mother and yourself. Never do
Yeah.
that. Never create a space around you when it's question of your parents. Parents are within your space, not outside your space. So don't use the word, Mama, I need some space. What is space? The space is your house, space is your mother. Very nice, Aswad. I'm so happy. Pratiksha, unmute yourself, Pratiksha.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Now, this meditation, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. What is the middle one with
So that one is like a scenery.
like that?
Yes, sir. I left to paint. So I learned from this video like nowadays the children get like older and they think that their parents are nothing for them. They whatever they did, it's just their duty. So this thought should actually be changed nowadays. The youngsters, like if their parents come in social media, they feel that it's a shame for them that their parents are coming and they don't know how to do. They will post something which is not correct, and that like that mother had posted a childhood photo of the girl, and that girl shouted at her mother.
Absolutely.
So it's like not correct. Like, they think that if their parents come in social media, they'll embarrass them. This is one of the thought which nowadays almost half of the youngsters have. So this one is the biggest change they should have. Like everyone can use everything they want. Like their mother over there, she learned it. She didn't know how to use social media, but she learned. They didn't appreciate that. Instead, they just this kind of thing.
Your yes, I got your camera. So you said it so well that you probably think mother intrudes into your social media space and in the virtual world of yours, which is taking you away from a real world, Pratiksha. You are trying to get into a virtual world which is not a reality, and getting into a world which is may not be good for you, and living the real world which is your mother. Be with your mother, because nobody can tell you better than your mother, right? So very nice, very nice. So Adik, yeah, sorry, you have to probably, did you click the raise of hands, Sorya? Okay, so I'll ask you next. So before that, Adik Nanda.
Yes, sir.
So Adik, you
Good
have
morning, sir.
morning. So you have created a beach behind you, right?
Sir, I have created a beach relating this topic. I want to say something. That's why I've
Yes,
done it like
very
this.
nice. So you are tech savvy. Very nice. So why did you select the beach?
Sir, in this pandemic time, this pandemic is giving us a time to spend with our family, which is a very good habit, I can say. This is
Right.
a habit. I am saying, I am using the word habit because we have to live with our family, means from our childhood, uh, day and night our mother and father are working for us in every circumstances, even in every problem they have. They do not tell us what their problems have, what they are facing. They do not tell us.
Mhm.
So can't we do any uh, but our mother and father needs us to be a great person, to be a good person in the future. So
Absolutely.
can't we do a small thing for our father and mother, because
Absolutely.
they are doing they are day and night in every circumstances, they are helping us, they are
Absolutely.
doing everything possible for us.
Absolutely.
So we should also respect towards the practice and the struggle of our parents,
Yeah.
because we can do struggle like that. Our parents are doing, we can do like this struggle, but our parents is
Absolutely.
uh,
Absolutely.
Our parents is telling us to be a great person in future. So can't we be a great person
Yes, yes.
in
Very nice.
future?
Adik says that why can't we be what our parents want? Our parents want us to be the best person in the world. So why can't we? Yes, you can be, because if you have that urge, that passion, and that humility, and every day taking blessings of your parents, you will definitely reach the goal. Absolutely.
Sir,
I'm happy. Thank
hello,
you. Saurya,
sir.
Saurya Savan,
Yes, sir.
have you taken
Good
your
morning.
have you taken your breakfast?
Actually, sir, I was so excited. I didn't even take my breakfast.
I could see
I
that.
usually take, I usually take my best breakfast after one class.
Oh, so you're excited for my class?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so nice. So, what breakfast you will have today?
Sir, I mostly have cornflakes or bread. So I
Cornflakes.
think today I will eat bread because my mom has made a daily schedule that you will really eat cornflakes because it has so much sweet taste. It can cause some problems.
Yes, yes. But
So that is why she said to
I
eat a
also,
little
I also
really.
twice or thrice a week I take honey almond cornflakes. I like that very much. So
Yes, sir.
that's my favorite. So nice. So, sorry, what did you learn out of this?
Sir, I just want to say one thing. We should all know what was the first word when you were hurt, when
Yeah.
you tripped and fell, and you were hurt. What was the first cry? You would say mama, mummy, ama.
Yes.
So uh, then after that in college, the same thing would happen, but you would say mama, chota sa hi chota hai.
Very
And then you say that nothing will happen.
yes.
We should realize that our mother was is trying to take care for us.
Yes.
Even though if you'll be an adult, it
Hmm.
will not be that you will uh, you will leave your parents.
Yes.
They will still uh, think you as their infant, and they care you like that. It's not that you'll be embarrassed by it.
Absolutely.
It's everybody uh, everybody experiences this. Everybody
Absolutely.
knows that yes, this will happen with me. This is not like, oh no, I'm embarrassed, what will I do. We should
Yes.
also learn that it's not like they don't know what is internet. Yes, if in at their time there must be nothing known as internet, but it doesn't mean that they don't know a single thing about computer. My
Yes.
mom, actually, what happens sometimes, in my earlier school, the software would sometimes crash down and then it would not work. Or sometimes in my computer projects, I would be stuck, and I would ask mom to help me.
Yes.
Even though she does not have a degree in any computer or software, she still experts those problems and then solves them.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Soria, I'm so happy. Soria, you are talking like, a very grown-up adult. I'm so happy. And you analyze things so nicely that mother, even if they do not know, they learn. What did you see in this? Mother saw that she is not able to get time with the children. So she learned social media to get connected virtually with son and daughter. So we should be mindful of this. We should not create a situation, a virtual world, a space, virtual space around us, so that our parents will try to meet us virtually. This is wrong. And Saurya is absolutely right. Even today, if I am hurt, the first word comes out of my mouth even today is Ma. Why? Because mother is my savior. Mother always protects us. Mother always is around us. I lost my mother 3 years back, but still I feel she's around. Anything happens, I say, Ma. That's the power of mother. So nice. I'm so happy. Now, next hand, I will go to Vedika. Vedika Hans. Unmute yourself, Vedika.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Vedika. How are you? You
Fine, thank you, sir.
you have a beautiful sofa behind you. Beautiful couch.
Sir, that's my bed.
Oh, that's the bed.
Yes, sir.
You sleep in such a wonderful bed. Oh my God.
Actually, sir, that's my brother's bed, and there is my bed.
Oh, both of you are so lucky to have such beautiful. And what's the wall hanging above the bed?
That's a painting, sir.
Oh, who has done the painting? Oh, your bed is there. Twin beds, huh? Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
In between, what do you have? A telephone?
No, sir, it's a statue type of thing.
My God, your mother must be excellent interior decorator.
Yes, sir.
Yes, she must. She's taking so much care of you. See, I can see from the house itself how meticulous your mother is. It's so sweet, so sweet. You are fortunate, Vedika, and keep these qualities in you. Learn from a mother these qualities, and they these will make you a wonderful woman when you grow up. Yes,
Yes.
Vedika, what did you learn out of this?
Sir, I learned that, sir, nowadays during this lockdown, we are only watching TV, or we are watching laptop or phone. We are
Right,
not spare. We lockdown nowadays, no one is going outside. If
right,
it's very important, then we are going outside. And nowadays, mama is also getting bored in the house. So
right.
why can't we just spend time with her, play games, and do all those things with her? Why do we always have to and we can also make her learn about internet, as she knows internet, what is Facebook. She knows everything about that, but then also we should make her learn more things if she doesn't know. If
Yes,
I learn a new thing in a computer, then I also go and say her, mama, see, this is like this. If you will do this, then we'll do this. So that's why we always have to encourage our mother and always love her.
absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, Kirti, I'll ask you next. But let me analyze what Vedika said. Vedika said two very interesting things. One, in the pandemic time, we have got the space that you call normally, I need space. So you got a space where your parents are around. Why don't you convert that into quality time? Now what I do is both my sons are with me because of the pandemic. They were working Bombay and Delhi, but they're here and they're working from home. So what I do is I purchased all those games, Chinese checkers, a business game. I got the Ludo. I got the money making, and there are 5, 6 types of games. I brought Snake and Ladder, which I used to play when I was of your age, and the cross games, Zero and Cross, those games. So I am reviving my childhood because this opportunity, these 6 months, I am able to spend. I was not able to spend with them in the last 6 years. So I'm converting this to such a quality time. So whenever we are they are off from their work, I am off from their work, so we keep a quality time. Every day we'll have lunch together, every day we'll have dinner together, every day 2 hours we will keep quality time watching Netflix together, and at least 1 hour playing together. So this has improved our family time, and I'm feeling so happy about it. So
Sir,
both of these,
sir,
and
not only mother and father, nowadays my grandfather and grandmother also at home.
yes, all.
And nowadays, as my grandfather goes to work from Monday to Friday, but on Saturday, Sunday, he's at home. So he always makes us dance. He becomes a judge.
Yes, your grandfather is my friend.
Yes, sir. You came to my house even.
Yes. So next time I come, you'll show me your beautiful room. Huh? So nicely you have decorated. I'll take pictures of that. Right.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much. Thank you so much. God bless you, beta. You have said it so nicely. And yes, grandparents. If grandparents are at home, that's a bonus. Many of my children do not have, their grandparents staying with them because they are staying in the city. But you are so fortunate, beta, to have your grandparents with you. So, what you do is you spend quality time because you have an additional bonus. Yeah, very nice. Stay blessed. Yeah, Kirti Anand, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kirti. How are
Good
you today?
morning, sir. I'm fine, sir.
You're sitting in father's room or your room?
Sir, I'm sitting in my study room.
And who is with side of yours?
Sir, it's my brother.
So what he is doing? From
Sir, his classes are there.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Sir, he has a complaint.
What?
Every time he has the chairman's talk, you do not unmute him. He has 3 times he raised his hand. You did not unmute him.
Okay, now let him speak. I'll ask him to come and speak. Come, beta. How are you? I am unable to hear you. How are you? Oh, you're a big boy.
No, sir. I'm working boy.
Small boy. No, you're a big boy. You are sitting on a big chair.
Big chair, it can be shortened. If I just break the bottom part of it.
So nice. So next time when in the chairman's talk, I'll ask you the first question. Right? Great. Give the mic to your sister. Yeah, Kirti. So next time I promise I'll ask him the first question. So he's in which class?
Sir, is it 5?
Oh, 5.
Yes.
Okay. Big boy, big boy.
Sir, I wanted to say about the thoughts that for a mother, her child is everything. Even if you give all the valuable things of the world, she will never give her child.
Right.
I want to share an experience too. In this
Yeah.
year, only in the February, when the exams were going to happen, I had fever, and it was very high. Even at night, my leg got completely full, and I was not responding. My mother was she brought hot oil and was massaging on the leg, and she did it for I think 4 to 5 hours. Still, I was not responding. She was almost crying, and my father was even asking, "She's there or not?" Then
Oh, God. See
she
how much of love and affection, beta. This we should realize. So and mother always waits for us. So that we say, mother, tell some stories. And one more thing, never ever in your life make mother unhappy. Suppose today, mother has not made some breakfast which you like. So why do you shout? There is nothing, mother has made something out of affection and love. It's not the taste which matters. It's the love and affection with which mother makes food for you. Mother tells something for you is more important than the taste of the food, right? Because for mother, the best thing available in the world is you both brother and sisters. As for you, they are the best. For them, you are the best. Nothing other than you matters for them more than anything else. So stay blessed, and I'm so happy. So one more question, then I'll go to the next, video. Yuvraj,
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
how are you, Yuvraj?
Sir, very fine.
क्या लिखा है तेरा टी शर्ट पे? क्या लिखा है? क्या ब्रांड है बेटा इधर?
So it is raised.
My God, इतना such a beautiful color t-shirt. कहाँ से लिया? I will like to purchase one for me.
Sir, H&M.
हाँ, कौन सा city? Which city?
Sir, Kolkata.
Kolkata H&M. Which one? Which area?
Sir, that one. Sir, Sector 4.
Sector 4. So you stay in Salt Lake?
No, sir.
Then where you
Sir,
stay?
Sir Kakurgachi.
Acha, Kakurgachi. Okay, Kakurgachi. It's like little distant, no, from Kakurgachi to Sector 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, very good, very good. You know, I lived in Calcutta for about 4 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what did you learn out of this video, beta?
Sir, sir, in the world, mother is the most important
Person,
thing.
most important person,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sir, in this video, the brother and the sister
Mm-hmm.
have not time for his mother because they have their duty of college.
Hmm.
Sir, then his brother
Mm-hmm.
his mother tell that sir, how to use internet. His
Yes,
brother, his son says you don't have to mm,
yes, yes, beta.
don't have to use internet. Then he tried and use it and share his photos with in Facebook.
And good
And
photo. So
yes,
that they feel good. Yes.
and then his friends tell that you have bring some
Kima paratha.
yes,
Yeah.
and his friends like his food also, his mother's food.
Do you like kima paratha?
Yes, sir.
तो कलकत्ता में बहुत मिलता है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा रोड में मिलता है ज्यादा? अच्छा, कौन सा काम मिलता है कीमा पराठा?
Sir, in Kakurgachi, in fact.
ओह, वेरी नाइस. और रोल भी मिलता है, रोल? अच्छा, रोल.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
रोल खाता है तू?
हाँ, sir.
वेरी नाइस. कहाँ पे? कागुराची पे?
हाँ, sir. हाँ, yes, sir.
तो
Taxi.
नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आता हूँ ना, तो मेरे को वो रोल शॉप और कीमा पराठा शॉप को लेके जाना.
Yes, sir.
क्या खाएंगे?
Yes, sir.
मैं 5 खाऊंगा, तू 1 खाएगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
मैं बड़ा हूँ, तू छोटा है ना?
Sure, sir.
नहीं, मैं 10 खाऊंगा, तो 5 खाएगा, ठीक है?
हाँ, sir. चलेगा.
चलेगा, चलेगा ना, दौड़ेगा रे. ठीक है, thank you, God bless you. So
Thank you, sir.
some more hands are there, but I'll remember. Let's see the next one, because we're running out of time. So next is the next one, something very, very interesting. So I'll ask you questions on that. So very interesting, no? To show you and get the best out of you. you know how much of research I do, and how much of it's not just, you know, showing you some videos and you know talking. First I make a storyline what I'll talk to my children, because I love to talk to my children. And I wait for all your smiles. एक बार हंस दो ना all of you जोर से मेरे लिए, मेरे को एनर्जी मिलता है बेटा। और थोड़ा जोर से, थोड़ा जोर से। पौलमी पौलमी थोड़ा जोर से। यस यस, वेरी नाइस। सो तुम लोग जब हंसते हो ना, मेरे को एनर्जी मिलता है, सुकून मिलता है। सो आई डू लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड आई क्रिएट अ स्टोरी लाइन। You know why? Because I want, when you are the best, to take out the best out of you and make you realize out of your best qualities. If I'll tell you ye karna wo karna, you'll feel, yeah, every time chairman sir is telling do this do that. But if I show you and if I take the qualities out of you, then you'll realize that will remain an inspiration. There is a difference between motivation and inspiration. If I try to motivate you, I can motivate you by my talks. So if I just motivate you, you will be motivated, and that motivation may remain with you for some hours or a day maximum, right? So after that, your motivation will not be there. But if I inspire you and if I tell you your qualities, you'll get self-motivated. And if you learn how to be self-motivated, you'll always grow bigger, better, and the best in life. So my role is to create a storyline, talk to my children, and keep them inspired. And that's what I do from class 1 to class 12. Thus, you know, yesterday I had my talk with class 12 students, about 600 of them. And we had so quality time and made them realize that you are in the last leg of your school. You'll always, you know, if somebody asks me what is the best part of your life, I tell my school. I did so many things in my school. And once the school was over, I could not make friends. And I still am in touch with all my school friends. And that's what is life all about. So now I would like to ask you, what did you understand out of this clipping on Father Did I So? Ayush? Unmute Ayush. Ayush, unmute. Ayush, your camera. Yes, Ayush. I'm unable to hear you, Ayush. Your voice is not coming, Ayush. There is some problem in your mic, Ayush. Unmute. Okay, Ayush, try your, you know, there is some problem in your mic. Okay, try that. In that time, I'll ask Dia. Dia of 8H. Unmute.
Yes, sir. Good
Yes.
morning, sir.
Good morning, Dia. How are you?
Fine, sir. Great.
Beautiful. And
It's great.
तेरा पीछे क्या है? वॉलपेपर है ना? क्या है? इतना सुंदर दिखता है. What's that?
नहीं सर, पेंट है.
पेंटिंग क्या है? पेंटिंग का ऊपर क्या है? वो लाल लाल पीला पीला सब क्या लगा है? What's that?
Yes, I'm going to show you. Just a minute.
This is so interesting, and let everyone see. इतना सुंदर है.
Sir.
अरे बाप रे.
Sir, it's paint.
Oh, ये one magenta ball and bluish ball, huh? Oh, so sweet, so sweet.
So this is gray and then this is red and green.
Nice, very nice, very nice. Beautifully done. This is your room?
Yes, sir. This is my room, but you know, as you said that we should spend quality time together. So for temporary time, this is my father and mother's room also.
Oh, so sweet. I clap for you. You know, you are an example of quality time. If you say that mother, father, and you together you spend time in this room, I'm so happy. And my talks are of worth and value. I'm so happy. Dia. Oh, yes. What did you learn out of this? You get by day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this was actually a video about the fathers and how they make things, like a perfectionist.
Mhm.
You know. So I relate to this because the first part of the video, they showed that the father was making the girls' ponytails, two big ponytails, right? So actually, my father,
तेरा ponytail पापा बनाते हैं कभी? नहीं?
that is what I related to. My father does not know how to make a ponytail.
You train no father. Now it's corona time. Tell father मेरा बाल थोड़ा बना दीजिए. So your father will love it. I'm telling you.
You know what, sir? Now he's not cutting his hair because he needs a ponytail.
Oh, that's fine. तू बना दे उनके लिए ponytail and वो बनाएगा तेरे लिए ponytail.
Yeah, so after he learns a ponytail, I'll train him to make braids, beanie.
Yes. But पहले तेरा ponytail कल तेरा ponytail कंघी करके तेरा ponytail पापा बनाएंगे. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Sunday है. तू बनाना फिर मेरे को बोलना कि कैसा कैसा बनाए. हंसना मत.
Okay.
Don't laugh at father, huh? You have to,
Okay.
right? Okay, very
Yes.
nice. So, Dia is promising tomorrow. Dia's hairs will be combed by father and ponytail by father.
Yes, sir. So actually, he's always busy in his meetings. If not meetings, he's talking to, his teammates because he's a software engineer.
And that's the job, no? They have to do. But
Yeah.
they will definitely father will find time for you because they love you. And for your father, you are the best. So एक बार बोलेगा ना पापा मेरा बाल बना दो, you see how happy he will be. That's the thing.
Because he relates tying a hair to tying of something like a bundle together. He'll tie my hair like that and my hair will all stand up together.
Yes, that's good. That's a new style. उसका एक फोटो पिक्चर लेना मेरे को भेज देना WhatsApp करके.
Okay, sir.
So nice. And see, they are told very, very nice. Father does most difficult things also for us. Even if they
Yeah.
don't know.
He does things like a perfectionist also. Even if it is difficult, he'll make it sure that how perfectly he has done the work.
You know why? That is because they want you to be perfect. So they want
Yes, sir.
that whatever you do should also be perfect. That's why they go on and training you. So I'm so proud that you have such wonderful parents. Convey my regards to your parents. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Swabhiman?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
हाँ, तू क्या सीखा बेटा? बोल. What did you learn?
So, sir, we learned that fathers always
Yes.
help us
Yes.
everything, and fathers are the
Best.
gods, and mothers are also the
Very nice.
gods, sir.
Yes. बेटा. Very nice. तेरा चश्मा बहुत सुंदर है बेटा. Very nice.
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
क्या हीरो हेयर स्टाइल क्या है? अमिताभ बच्चन को फॉलो करता है.
Thanks. Thank
So nice.
you,
Great.
sir. Thank you.
Great बेटा. Great. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Archita.
Thank you.
Archita.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Archita. कितना चेयर है तेरा पीछे?
Yes, sir. That's the massage chair actually.
Oh, मसाज चेयर. इतना बड़ा
Yes,
मसाज
sir.
चेयर. तू तो उसका
Yes, sir.
अंदर घुस जाएगी पूरा. तेरे दिखता है. So it has all the calf muscles and hand, everything.
Yes, so actually my father, my mother, and my family members sometimes just sit over there and they take a massage. So it's in my study room.
Oh, so sweet. It becomes your family room also at times.
Yes, sir, at times. And usually it becomes my family room when my sisters come, we sit here and we chat a lot with them.
Today you have nicely combed your hair. कौन मामा बनाया ना दीदी बनाया ना कौन?
So my mother.
Your mother.
Yes,
तो
sir.
मैं दिया को बोला कि tomorrow father बनाएंगे. तू
Yes.
तू भी तेरा फादर से कल हायर बनाना.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
The promise?
Yes, sir, it's a promise. Actually, sir, today my dad is out, so when he returns back, then I'm going to tell him to do my ponytail.
मैं बोला हूँ, बोलना chairman sir
Yes, sir, I'll surely tell.
you have to do it. And कैसा मैं दिखता हूँ तो आप photo
Yes, sir.
chairman sir को भेजना.
Yes, sir. So, sir, from the video, I learned that we should always respect our father and we should always make them proud because they make it possible what is impossible and they give us the best of everything and anything. Because at times our fathers are very busy with their work, but somehow they take out some time for us and they try to give us the best of everything. So they are the first heroes and the most beautiful creation of God. And we should always respect them and we should give them the time which they require from our side. This is what I learned from the video.
Absolutely, absolutely. तू तो बहुत सीख लिया. तू तो मेरे से ऊपर है रे.
Thank you.
More intelligent than me. So that's what I want my seniors. My seniors should be more than me, and I'll be the happiest person when my seniors talk better than me and tell me things that even I could not see. And you are that generation which is going to change the world. And I'm so happy, so happy. And the promise is you have kept that.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
And you'll do it. Mama ghar
Yes.
mein hai na? Mama is there, not at home.
Yes, sir. Mother is there.
Very nice. नाश्ता खाया कुछ? Have you
Yes, sir. I had in the morning. I had dry fruits. I drank Bonvita and then I ate a sandwich today.
ऐसा तंदुरुस्त चेहरा है.
Yes.
Very nice. And Bonvita also makes you taller, huh? That's what the advertisement says.
Yeah, it says, but I don't think if it's true. Okay.
इतना बड़ी हो गई ना Bonvita पी के.
No, sir, nothing like that.
Okay. So one more I'll take. Sneha. Sneha Sumedha. Because after this I'm going to show something very interesting. And that will be quite challenging. I'd like to learn from all of you.
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great, sir. I was just saying it, and from the video, I used to get that father is a precious gift in our life. Whatever he does, he has done everything for us. Like, for example, if we say that when we were born, our first word used to come like parents, like father, papa and mama.
Papa and mama. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
And we can say that I think a father is someone who loves unconditionally. There's no perfect formula to who a father can be.
Yes.
It is said by Julie Hibbert.
Yes. Yes.
So even though Papa couldn't make food for us, but he tries the best.
Yes.
He tries the best.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
And
Very nice. नेहा, तेरा पीछे एक डॉल रखा है.
yes, sir.
ये तेरा है. It is your doll.
Yes, sir.
तो इसको लेके तू हमेशा घूमती है ना, wherever you go.
No, sir, but yeah, you can say whenever I go down.
You carry your doll. You know, when my daughter was of your age, I had been to United States and I went to Graceland, Elvis Presley's home. There I found a beautiful doll like this, little bigger than this, right? And I carried it all across from US to India and I gave it to my daughter. My daughter used to love that. My daughter now is married and she's in United States. So what I do is, that doll, I have kept in her bedroom. And every day morning I go and I see the doll, I smile and I feel that my daughter is there. And then I talk to my daughter in FaceTime. So dolls are so much attached to daughters. And one other also, she had a teddy bear, you know, she had a almost 5 feet teddy bear, huge one. So in one hand, she will keep the teddy bear and the other hand the doll and run around in the house. So beautiful memories. So
actually, this teddy is 8 years old ago. My father gave from United States actually.
Oh, see, something that I said. Oh, so sweet, so sweet. I'm so happy. So now I will go to the next video and then ask so many questions, because there are so many hands and we will run out of time. So that, I will, so before that, I will ask you something. All of you will do it. Say yes, then only I'll ask. Yes, yes. मेरा सूर्या तो दोनों हाथ दिखा दिया. Surya तो दोनों हाथ दिखा दिया. So great. Yes, दोनों हाथ दिखा दिया. So I will give you 30 seconds. And I'll keep a watch 30 seconds. You have to get up, run, hug your father if he's at home, touch his feet, hug your mother, touch her feet, and come back. Let's see, your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, run. 1, 2, 3, 4, run, 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 run. Yes, Swamiman, run. Surya, thank you. Come back. Janvi, thank you, Janvi. Janvi, thank you. So sweet. Saswat, thank you. So all of you, how did you feel? How did you feel? मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Every day, when my mother is not there, but when my mother is there, every day, 2 times, while going to my office or going to the school or going to my college, I used to touch her feet, and coming back, I touch her feet. I will not enter the house or leave the house without touching, even today, and that also for my children. And that's what keeps all of us humble and all of us respect our parents. I'm so proud each one of you do it. I'm so happy. Dia also, you did it. Dia, mother. Yes, so sweet, so sweet. Okay, now I'll show you something very interesting. And you have to very minutely watch this. This is a very, one of the best, things that I have to be shown to children. And this has many things to learn. Many things to learn. Let me see how many you can unfold. So this is one of the most beautiful, most interesting videos that I have, because this teaches us so many things. Unbelievable. And whenever I see this, my urge to work more, suppose if I work for 10 hours, my work increases to 15 hours. If I'm working for 15 hours, some days I work for 18 hours. And I see this. I see this at least 4 or 5 times or 6 times or 7 times maybe. So, every day this. To learn what is the thought process. This is so powerful, this video. I have not seen another video which can compete this video as far as the power is concerned. So let me see how many of you are able to unfold and tell me about this. So I will start with Harshita. Yes,
Hello,
Harshita.
sir. Good morning.
Morning, Harshita. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Finally, I get to speak after
Yes.
so long time.
Yes, you'll always get chance to speak, beta, because see, there are 200 hands raised. So I am sorry that I have seen you raising your hand from the first video itself. So I could not, there is paucity of time. Can I do this session for 5 hours? So you'll all leave, no? It's not possible to sustain. So
Yes,
maybe
sir.
sometimes I'll ask you, sometimes I'll not ask you, but I love each one of you. You are all my beautiful children. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Right.
मैं सबका थंब नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ. थोड़ा मेरे लिए हंस दो सब. हर्षिता, you also. Yes, right. बोल हर्षिता, what did you learn?
So what I learned from this video, we should never give up in our life. We should always try to do the things that we cannot do, like how the boy tried to move the tree branch and all. Others also come to help him, and all others and adults also come. Like, we should never give up in our life. We should always try to achieve something. Then we can be successful.
Yes.
In our life.
Absolutely. Never ever give up and go on trying. I'll tell you many more things, but after listening from you. Yes, Asmit, thank you. Thank you, Harshita. Keep
You're
smiling.
welcome, sir.
Keep smiling. Great. Asmit Senapati.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Asmit.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
So fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. I am seeing your father, mother, you, all three of you behind you.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful picture. And your face almost resembles your father.
Thank you.
You are a miniature of your father. So lucky. So lucky.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Asmit, what did you?
Sir, in this video we learned, sir, we should not tell a person great or small. Everybody is equal. Just because the person, there was a person who was a government official. Just because he was a government official, he got a VIP treatment, and there was another car that was waiting for him. But he did not try to tell the people that we all can move the tree and clear the traffic. He did not do anything. He just got the VIP treatment and he was happy with that. But the small boy, what he did, he saw if I start, everybody will follow me.
Absolutely. You said it. You said it absolutely fine. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm so happy. You have
Yes,
actually the most important thing you did tell, but I'll analyze at the end. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, he did not think what will people think of me? I am a small child. They will laugh at me. He did not think about that. But to make a change, he started it with himself. And the people sitting in the cars and the vehicles, they saw him. They felt inspired, and they themselves went and lifted the tree, and they got success at last.
Absolutely.
So we should not worry that we will get embarrassed or.
All of you clap for us. Wonderful analysis. Wonderful. Stay blessed. And beautiful. I am able to see you with your parents. So I'm feeling so happy. And I'm feeling so good today. Okay. Next I will ask is, I think Tamanna. Tamanna had raised her hand. Tamanna.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, beta. Beautiful. कौन बनाया?
So I did it by myself.
Yourself.
Yes, sir.
Don't tell me.
But the haircut was done by my father.
Haircut.
Yes, sir. Because we could not go to the salon, my father did the haircut.
Absolutely. How much of this is reflection of the that parents have for you. I'm Putra, one picture.
So these are some I love art and craft, so these are some paintings, and I did by myself. I wrote some quotes, and I've written "Be positive" by doing the abstract painting there.
Oh my God. It's so you know.
Thank you, sir.
This abstract is something which you are such a right. You are almost 98 subjects. So keep this and make always your parents proud of you. You are so good. You're so good. And convey, my thanks to your father for giving that beautiful haircut. Maybe, pandemic time, I'm also not able to go somewhere. So I'll come and tell your papa to cut my hairs also. So, बड़ा हो रहा है, ठीक है? बोल देना, ठीक है? And मामा को भी बोलना मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट बनाएंगे.
Yes, sir. When you come, she's going to make a lot of things for you.
Right. तू क्या खाया आज? What did you have?
I'm going to have idli, nariyal chutney, and sambar.
My God, my favorite. तू मेरे लिए अभी कुछ भेज दे. इडली, सांबर and chutney. क्या बोल रहा है? The best breakfast. Very nice. Very nice. What did you see? What did you see out of this video?
In the video, we could see that the tree was causing a problem, that there was a lot of traffic and the police were trying to control. And everybody was thinking that another person will go and pick it up.
Right.
But the boy thought, why I cannot pick it up? I should be the change. So we should always think that there has to be some change. We won't think that other people will do that, then I'll do it.
Absolutely.
We can be the change, and it caused a lot of change. The traffic got closed, and it helped a lot of people. Everybody got inspired and came and helped to pick up the tree.
Right. Absolutely. Thumbs up. Clap for Tamanna. Absolutely. She also, told something very interesting, but I'll summarize it. Tamanna, तू अभी जाके जब मैं बोला था 30 seconds में, did you touch the feet of your parents? Pakka?
Yes, sir. I even hugged them.
Oh, very nice. Every day karna beta. Every day.
Yes, sir.
Right, promise?
Yes, sir. Promise.
Very nice. I'm so proud of you. Okay, great. Great analysis. Don't switch off your camera. I want to see you. Okay. Sahana, what did you see out of this, Sahana? How are you, Sahana, today?
I'm good.
You're good. So nice. So what did you learn?
Well, the main thing that I think is that this whole thing is pretty symbolic. The tree is supposed to represent a problem, and the government official who just walked over the tree are people who are just avoiding the problem.
Absolutely.
And people who are simply honking their horns,
Yes.
people who are complaining but have no part in the actual solution. They just keep on complaining.
Right.
But they never seem to think that they should actually do something. And then when everyone else follows him, then that is what everyone else is following him, right? Because they got inspired by what he did, so everyone else is also following him.
Absolutely correct. This is a problem statement, and everybody was trying to avoid the problem statement and not trying for a solution. There is so beautiful analysis of this already. Three of you have given me very good leads. I will summarize, but before that, I am seeing my Arusi smiling. So I want my Arusi to speak now. She has not spoken today. Arusi's smile is something which I love. Yes, unmute Arusi.
Good morning, sir.
बेटा कैसे हो आज?
Sir, I am fine, but actually I'm not fine. I joined very late, sir. I was not well.
Oh my God. You get well soon, beta, and
Yes.
take medicines and get well soon. Take care of yourself, right? And you do you have fever or something?
No, sir. Actually, like in the morning, my head started paining like anything. Then it was like I had some breathing problem, then vomiting. So I went to the hospital. They told me your parents cannot go inside. You have to be in isolation. I was like, no, I'll stay in the car for some time. It is fine for me. So finally, I didn't go inside.
No problem. I think this is a severe acidity. We must
Yes, sir. Exactly, kind of.
in food in a gap. So because of this acidity, that may become migraine and your headache and vomiting. So it will get all right once you start little, medicines and have your normal food, liquid food. So
Yes, sir.
it will be all right. And I'm sure you'll be all right. Arusi, you're smiling.
Yes,
So
sir.
that you're feeling better. I'm so happy, so proud. Get well soon because I need to see your smile, bigger smile, and both your hands like this. Yes. What did you learn, Arusi? So sweet.
Sir, I learned that we should always try our best. We should never run out of the situation. We should always, have the courage to face the situation, and we should never give up.
Yes. Never ever give up. And I know, Arusi, you will never give up because you know the meaning of Arusi?
So the first ray of sunlight.
Yes. Your smile is also like the first ray of sun. Keep it up.
Thank
God,
you, sir.
God bless you. Yes, Vanuska. Unmute yourself, Vanuska.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Vanuska. How are you? Sitting in a beautiful room.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
yes.
I'm all fine. Sir, how are you?
I'm fine, but I'm feeling much better by talking to you and seeing your smile.
Thank you, sir.
तो एक बार हंस देता है ना मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट हो जाता है, दो बार सब लोग हंस देते हो मेरा लंच हो जाता है, और हमें तीनों टोटल हंस देता हूँ तो मेरा पूरा खाना हो जाता है दिन का. आई डोंट हैव फूड. So what I'll do is whenever I'll feel hungry, I will tell all of you to laugh and smile at me so that मैं भूख भूल जाऊंगा. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Manuska. Go ahead.
Sir, what I learned first, I would like to say one quote of Mahatma Gandhi, that is, "Be the change you want to see." So, in the video itself, the boy, he wanted to be the change what he wanted to see. He wanted that the people would be free from that problem. That was the tree.
Remember the word you said, be the change you want to see. So my next video will be the change you want to see. So you, I think, have preempted what I'm going to show you next. So nice. You're so intelligent. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, and we should also be the inspiration to others, and we should inspire others. Like the boy, he first started to push the tree. Others saw him, and then they learned from him that yes, we should also help him, and that was called teamwork. So when you are in a team and you work together, then anything is possible. And the boy also showed leadership. He was the one who started it, so others followed him, and he was a kind of leader to them. So that's all I learned.
Very nice. Tamanna, smile kar de mere liye zor se. Very nice. Very nice. So very, very beautifully analyzed, Vanuska. So since all of you want, so what I'll do is I'll ask 1-2 questions, then go to the next one, and then try to close as quickly as possible. I will now ask Vaibhavi. Unmute, Vaibhavi.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Vaibhavi, today?
So fine.
तेरा पीछे क्या है? Wallpaper है ना क्या है?
Yes, sir. Wallpaper.
Oh, it's looking like a mountain. I thought you are sitting in some hill station.
No, sir. This is New York wallpaper.
New York. Very nice. Very nice. New York is one of the most beautiful and most populated cities of the world. Okay, what did you see out of this video?
Sir, this video, the boy, he was helping others, and he thought that if I'll just take up the tree, then the all the people who are in the cause and they are not going anywhere and they're stuck there, they can be helped. So he just started to push the tree, and then all the people who were surrounding him, he they just saw him, and they just started going towards him, and they just also pulled. In that way, the one person, if they'll try, then the other person who are not looking or not taking the attention can also be caused.
Very nice.
So we should never stop trying.
Absolutely. We should never, okay, stop trying. So I'll quickly go to the next one. All those who have raised hand, keep the raised hand on. I'll ask you with the last interesting thing that I'm going to show you. Very interesting. So, interesting, no? If interesting, so both hands. Yes. So, I love this one. I love this one, Arusi. I love this one, Tamanna. Okay, so we'll start with someone who has not yet spoken. Swabhiman. What did you learn?
Heard we learned that we should be the
change,
and like the VIP person entered from the VIP entry, but he again entered from the security.
Yes. Absolutely.
Check.
He went through the security.
And the boy who picked the can,
and
who threw the can, throwed it again, picked and threw it in the dustbin.
Absolutely.
And the girl who was
yes,
gonna cheat, she didn't cheat and returned the paper.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely, Swaviman. I am so proud of you. Clap for Swaviman. You are great, Swaviman. You have said it so nice. Thank you. Keep it up. Keep it up, Swaviman. Keep it up. Slok,
Thank you.
unmute yourself, Slok. Vyapti, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, Vyapti. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine. How are you?
थोड़ा जोर से हंस ना. Yes. Very nice. So what did you learn?
So in the video, I learned that
I think we lost her voice. We lost her voice. Okay. Okay. So when your system becomes all right, you can speak now. I'll go to Aryusha Aditya. Yes. How are you?
Sir, fine.
Speak. No, what did you learn?
Yes, sir. We saw that we need to change to keep India clean, and the policeman refused to take the bribe. The VIP personality obeyed the rules like the others do, and the girl refused to cheat. They thought to be the change themselves rather than expecting others to change. If we all think the same, then a big change can be brought.
Yes, absolutely. And the change should start from you, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are the change. Don't expect others to change. First, change yourself. Okay, Taniska. Thank you. Thank you, Aryusha. Yeah, Taniska, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
How are you, Taniska? I am unable to see you. What happened to your
Sir, my
camera?
video is on.
But I am unable to see you, beta. Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should sir, I would like to tell a story on this topic, sir.
Okay.
My father just told me a story on it last night, sir.
Oh, very nice. So we'll like to listen the story. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. And so luckily that story was on this topic only. Sir, very old man was living in Saudi Arabia and he was breathing his last breath. Then people came to visit him and ask some advices and guidance to lead the life before he went from this world. So the old man said that when he was young, around 20 years old, he was very energetic and enthusiastic, but and he thought that he can change the world and solve all the problems and started working on it. Then sir, after 10 years when he became 30 years old, and he found out that the world was where it was 10 years ago. So that he said that that made me realize that I should lower my ambitions and better at least my country, not the whole world. So when as the time passed, when he became 40 years, again realized that the people of the country were also not changing, and it was a waste of time as there were millions and trillions of them. Then it became very difficult to change all of them. So he decided that he should at least change the people of his city. So then when he grew very old, by that time around 60 years old, he thought that he should at least try, he couldn't change the city people as well. So he tried to change his family members, which he thought would be very easy for him to do. But that efforts were also a waste of time for him. So he said that now on my deathbed, on my deathbed now I realized that if I had worked on changing myself by getting rid of the imperfections in me and overcoming my own shortcomings, perhaps I would have found my family members change.
Yes.
Considering the good behavior and conduct of my family members, perhaps the whole town would have got influenced and changed.
Absolutely.
Looking at the progress and development of the whole town, perhaps the people of my country would have been influenced, and perhaps looking at the people of my country, the whole world might have been influenced and changed. So we should always try to first change ourselves, then automatically everybody will change.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, Chanika. Clap for Chanika. All of you clap. Okay. So great. So I will now tell you what I learned
Thank
from
you, sir.
the third video, the video of the small child. Actually, the small child was aware and he knew that he's not going to or be able to lift the tree. He was aware because he's too small, and that log, that tree which fell down, was huge. But everybody was sitting and watching. He did go and try, because he said, and he thought, if I try and fail, that is much better than not trying and sitting idle. In life, the first lesson is, even if you think that is impossible, give a try. And even if you fail, because the boy knew that the boy will not be able to lift the tree, still, it was the thought, it was the confidence, it was the factor in his mind that, yes, I am going to be the leader and I am going to lead in the world. If everybody feels it is impossible, the leader feels it is possible, and that's why that person is the leader. When the whole world says this is impossible, leader feels it is possible, right? When we created Sai International School, there was a lot of apprehensions, but today we are in the top 3 of the country. That is because of each one of you. Sai International is of the top school of the country, not because of the building. It is because of each one of you. Each one of you is the change, is the thought. Each one of your hard work reflects in the result of the school. The school doesn't give result, the children give result. And it is you who make the change, and it is you who has made the school so great. And I am so happy that all your parents had reposed so much of faith, and all of us working together, all teachers, everybody did, in this pandemic time also, everybody is worried, everybody is teaching, is irrespective of their health. We are going to launch something as Sai Cloud School, Sai Home School very soon, maybe next month, where you'll get everything possible, all the missed classes, all the class videos, everything you'll get on your desk, on your table when you want. So that the thought that yes, we'll do it something different, and we'll do the way others cannot do. That's the first thing. Then who did come to support that boy? Again, 4 more children. Right? It is not that the older people who were thinking that they're capable, they came. It was again those 4 boys joined this, and smilingly, laughing, with full of energy, even if there was rain, tried to lift the tree. Seeing this, all the people thought, if children who cannot lift the tree are trying, why not we also try? So when the leader does something, rest of the people follow. Don't be a follower in the life, be the leader of your life. Be always like a leader, and you can only be a leader if you see that I am the change. The next video that I saw, because I wanted to show you that you are that change. You are that leader who will not do anything which is wrong. Even given an opportunity, you will not copy. Even given an opportunity, you will obey the traffic rules. Even if there is no one around, you will follow the rules, the regulations of the conduct of anywhere you are going, and you are that change. And with that change, you are that leader, because inside you learn to lead. Every individual who is sitting here and watching, each one of you is a leader. And I see that 15 years ahead, each one of you will be a very strong leader. And I will say proudly that here is my senior who brought a change. I want to see that in each one of you. 15 or 20 years ahead, you are going to be my future leader. And I will be then happy and seeing, okay, my Kirti is a leader, my Swabhiman is a leader, my Tamanna is a leader, my Vedika is a leader, my Pratiksha is a leader, my Saurya is a leader, my Anvesa is a leader, my Asmit is a leader, my Subhasri is a leader, my Vanuska is a leader, my Chanika is a leader. All of you, I am not, if I name, I have to name now 300 people, but each one of you is a leader, right? So, beta, आज तो वक्त हो गया, बहुत टाइम हो गया, 1.5 घंटा से ऊपर हो गया. सो ये था आज तक. हम लोग को इंतजार करना पड़ेगा नेक्स्ट टॉक तक. अच्छा लगा? अच्छा लगा तो थोड़ा हंस देना बेटा सब, मेरे को और अच्छा लगेगा. एंड शो मी योर हैंड लाइक दिस. वेरी नाइस. आई लव इट. एंड जिसको मैं बोला, कोई मेरे को बोला था इडली, याद है ना, मैं इडली खाने आऊंगा, राइट? एंड तमन्ना, मेरा बाल काटने आऊंगा, आई विल नॉट फॉरगेट. एंड द प्रॉमिस दैट शौर्य हैज मेड, राइट? एंड द प्रॉमिस all of you have made, I am going to keep it. Archita also, your promise, you remember, no? Very nice, very nice. So always I end with the song of hope, because I feel the song of hope keeps our dream alive. And I want each of my senior to dream till the dream becomes a reality. And the dream has to be with your open eyes. The world sees dream with closed eyes when they're sleeping. I want my seniors to dream with open eyes. I want my seniors to be a dreamer with open eyes. And with that hope, always I put on the song of hope. And I hope all of you know what is to be done with the song of hope. So before I sign off, I will show you the song of hope. And I hope all of you will follow the song of hope, even if I don't tell you what is to be done. Let me see how many of you remember, and keep all your cameras on, because we are recording Song of Hope. Let's see how many of you remember.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो, ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं. कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा. आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
So, जैसे मैं बोला, ये था आज तक. इंतजार कीजिए नेक्स्ट टाइम तक. देखते हैं आपका टाइम कब आता है. वो बोलते हैं ना, आपका टाइम आएगा, इंतजार करना, राइट? आपका टाइम जल्दी आएगा. एंड कैसे जल्दी आएगा? इफ यू सेंड मी योर व्हाट्सएप वीडियोस. कैसा लगा? जितना मेरे को वोट मिलता है उस क्लास को मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, बिकॉज आई डू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर मोटिवेशन, इंस्पिरेशन एंड लाइकिंग. तो अगर ये टॉक अच्छा लगा, डू स्मॉल वीडियोस ऑफ योर फीलिंग्स एंड सेंड इट टू योर LMs. एंड आई गेट इट, एवरीथिंग आई गेट, all of them I get, and I start posting in the Facebook. So दुनिया को भी लगे कि मेरा बच्चे मेरे से कितना प्यार करते हैं और मैं कितना बच्चों से मेरा प्यार करता हूँ. बिकॉज ये दुनिया कायम है बिकॉज ऑफ लव एंड अफेक्शन. एंड आई एम सो प्राउड दैट ऑल ऑफ माई seniors are touching the feet of their parents, father and mother, taking their blessings, respecting the teachers, and respecting a teacher like me also, right? I'm so happy to be with you. God bless you and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Take care. Bye, all of you. Bye. Bye. Take care. God bless you. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you. Thank you.